Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover APIs Explorer App Engine. So simply click on Start Lab, right click and open an incognito window. Make sure existing windows are closed. Now click on I understand. Now from here, click on I agree and continue, and simply click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. Also remove this unwanted pop-up. Click on continue. Click on authorize. Now let me increase the text size. Okay, in the description box of this video, I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to simply select it, paste over here, hit enter and wait for some time. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes and all these things will be done. Now simply come to the lab instruction and check the score. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, you can just check how to enable check my progress bar in the video description. Now let's end the lab and do like the video and just subscribe.